Hello everyone! So in this video, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinakabagong SSS contribution table effective ngayong January 2025. Okay, so pwede nyo siyang i-search sa sss.gov.ph, SSS contribution table, and then makikita nyo to. So ito yung for voluntary and non-working spouse members. Ayan, so yung new schedule of contributions for voluntary and non-working spouse members and guidelines are hereby issued. Republic Act number 11199, otherwise known as the Social Security Act of 2018, which includes a provision that increases the following effective year 2025. So yung contribution rate ay mag-increase to 15%. Tapos, ang minimum monthly salary credit or MSC is 5,000 pesos. And ang maximum MSC ay 35,000 pesos. So, Social Security Commission Resolution number 560S 2024 dated November 15, 2024. So, yung table na nandito ay nagre-reflect ng contributions for the following programs that are administered by the SSS. So, regular Social Security Program, saka Mandatory Provident Fund or yung MPF program. So, makikita nyo ayan, effective January 2025. So, ito yung explain natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin. So, ito yung range ng compensation. So, kapag below 5 to 50, ang regular or ang minimum na ngayon na MSC is 5,000. So, amount ng contribution mo ngayon is 750 pesos na. Okay? So, makikita mo dito yung iyong range ng compensation. Although, pwede namang maging flexible yung iyong contribution. So, depende din yun sa kaya mo kapag voluntary tsaka non-working spouse. Pero ang minimum is 750. So, ito lang yung magiging MSC mo, yung basis mo kapag i-compute yung iyong mga benefits. So, malaki kasi yung effect ng MSC para sa pag-compute ng mga benefits. So, syempre, the higher the contribution, the higher your benefits are. So, the lower, same, applies. The lower the contribution, the lower the benefit. Okay? And then, so kapag 20,000 yung iyong MSC, pwede kang mag-add MPF or yung Mandatory Provident Fund program na 500 pesos. So, magiging 20,500 yung MSC mo. So, ang magiging contribution mo niyan, 20,000, so 3,000. So, plus 75 is 3,075. Kapag hanggang sa 15,000 ang pwede. So, 35,000. Ayan. So, 3,000 to 250, 5,250. So, 5,250 yung pwede mo i-contribute sa SSS. So, pwede nyo itong makita. And ilalagay ko din tong link nitong contribution table sa description section ng video ito para ma-access nyo. Ayan. So, ito pa. Advance payment prior to implementation of the new schedule of SSS contributions. So, anong mangyayari dun sa mga nag-advance payment? So, yung mga members na nagbayad na ng kanilang mga contributions in advance for the applicable months of January 2025 onwards based on the immediately preceding schedule of contributions are advised as follows. So, yan. Those with advance payment at the minimum MSC of 4,000 shall settle the underpayment amounting to 190 for every month of advance payment to retain the posting of contributions to the new minimum MSC of 5,000. Otherwise, such advance payment shall be deemed as ineffective contributions. So, kung nakapag-advance na kayo, kailangan yung bayaran yung underpayment na 190 per month. So, maliit lang naman yun. So, bayaran nyo na kasi magiging ineffective contribution yun kapag hindi nyo siya binayaran, guys. Number 2, dun sa mga may advance payment at an MSC other than the minimum 4,000 may opt to pay the corresponding increase in contributions to retain posting at the same MSC. Otherwise, such advance payment shall be posted at the applicable lower MSC. Kailangan yung bayaran or mapupunta siya dun sa applicable lower MSC. Okay, so let's go with the computation of benefits. contributions and benefits including yan, retirement, permanent, total partial disability, death, maternity, sickness, unemployment, and funeral under the regular SS program shall be computed based on the member's MSC, which ranges from a minimum of 5,000 up to maximum of 20,000 as defined in the contribution scheduled above computation. And then the member's contribution for MSC in excess of 20,000 up to the maximum of 35,000 shall be for the MPF program and credited to the member's individual account. So, benefits under this program, tulad ng retirement, permanent disability, and death, shall be in the total accumulated account value consisting of total contributions plus net investment income. Yun lang naman yung update for the SSS contributions. For the self-employed members, ayan, so almost the same din. 5,750. Same lang. So, bahala na yung employer nyo na mag-adjust ng mga contributions nyo since si HR naman ang may hawak ng mga SSS ng mga empleyado. So, ganon. Okay, so yan yung latest for the SSS contribution table na effective na ngayong January 2025. Ayan, so huwag nyo kalimutan kapag magbabayad kayo, 750 pesos na yung minimum SS contribution. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And guys, favor naman. Since I am trying to reach 50,000 subscribers this 2025, sana isa ka sumuporta ng aking mga content. Panoorin mo and please mag-subscribe ka sa aking channel para ma-reach ko ang aking goal. And not just that, please watch my videos para mas ma-inform tayo sa mga benefits natin as an SSS member. And also if you like my content like freelancing, make money online, book reviews, insurance, and retirement, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Till the next video.